serve 8, you'll need 275 grams, 10 ounces, that's about 2 cups, of crumbled fruit cake, and 1 litre, that's just over 32 fluid ounces, of vanilla ice cream. To start, you need to line a 20 by 10 centimetre, that's 8 by 4 inch, loaf tin with a double layer of cling film, and you have to make sure that there's at least a 3-inch overhang of film on all sides. Now, because of the shape of the tin, it's easier to do the 2 layers, one with the longest edge going sideways. I'll just cut that off. And then the next layer will be going this way, so that we end up with a 3-inch overhang on all sides. Can be longer than 3 inches. Try to smooth it out as best you can, it's not terribly important. And then set that aside whilst you make the mixture up. Place the crumbled cake into a large mixing bowl. Now you'll notice I haven't crumbled this too finely because I'm going to mix some of the ice cream in with it, which will break it down a bit further. So don't crumble it too finely to begin with. And then place half of the softened ice cream in with the cake mixture. Now this needs to be mixed together thoroughly, and I'm going to use a spatula because I find that it doesn't break the cake down too much using a sort of cutting motion to mix it up. Now the ice cream does need to be quite soft. I should have mentioned that it doesn't matter whether your cake is very stale or fresh. Either way, it'll work very well in this recipe. So now that that's all more or less mixed in, take your prepared loaf tin, and you need to just spoon half of this mixture into the base. Spread it out evenly. Getting it into the corners as best you can. Just need a little bit more there. And then you need to place the other half of the ice cream over the top so that once this terrine has set, when you cut it, it'll come out with 3 layers. So let's just pop all that in. Spread that evenly in the tin. And then all that remains is to place the remaining cake and ice cream mixture over the top of this. Spoon it all in. If you wanted to be really decadent, you could have added some alcohol when you were mixing the cake part with the ice cream. Rum goes very well, or brandy. So spread that evenly as you can, getting into the corners and pressing down a little so that there aren't too many big air pockets. Then fold over the edges of the cling film so that it's completely covered. Once that's all done, place in the freezer for between 6 and 8 hours until completely firmed up. After the freezing time, remove from the freezer and unmould onto a flat surface. It should come out very easily because of the film lining. Remove the film, completely, making sure you get any bits out that may have got stuck in any little crevices. You may need to leave it to soften up just for a few minutes. And then to serve, just slice into thin pieces. Should slice easily into 8. I've just marked that, so and as you can see, we have the layer of the ice cream in the centre with 2 layers of the cake and ice cream mixture.